Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel Improvopedia. If you are new here, please subscribe. I'm Harshdeep Kaur and I'm pursuing BBA and I'm in my first year of this course. I'm having my first semester by the end or the start of February 2023. Many of you demanded a study motivation or a study vlog kind of video, so here I am with fulfilling your desires. So without any further ado, let's get started. My pre-study preparation is to make a to-do list so that I am aware of what kind of subjects or what topics I'll be covering this day, and it gives me a clear structure and it helps me to focus better. Abiding by my to-do list is my utmost priority because it always seems impossible until it's done. So focus on being productive instead of being busy. I also prefer setting a timer before I study so that I can get a clear picture of a real-time study. We need to push ourselves because no one else is going to do it for us. The next thing I prefer doing is to read the text, be it practical subject or theoretical subject. For practical subject, I like reading the theory section first so that I can get a brief idea about what's there in the practical section. Then I like to make notes so that I don't miss any useful topic or useful information that is important from semester's point of view. I like to take a tea break after completing my 2 Pomodoro study sessions and then just get back started with the studies again. Let me tell you, I'm continuing with the same subject as I have a lot to complete for the module. Now talking about my course, I have accounting fundamentals, business statistics, principles of marketing, management foundation and business communication as my subjects. Now, apart from my academic courses, I'm also preferring to develop my professional and life skills. For that, I'm pursuing certificate courses in advanced Excel, report writing, email writing, and many more. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below and share with your friends.